Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Whew. Oh. This is crazy. I'm hoping it'll clear up in a second. Or else I'm gonna have to run back. Ooh, check this out. A little beaver dam. That's awesome. I think might have to call it a day. Cause I can't feel my fingers. I need to warm up. Wait, what is that? Oh. A sketchy looking cabin. You know, usually I don't run to sketchy looking structures in the middle of a snowstorm, but right now I really don't have a choice. My fingers are numb. I am 2.5 miles away from my camp. So I try and wait for like 10-15 minutes, warm up my hands, and see if the snow clears. I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna walk in.